everyone, we're here at Tagumuan Central School, and today we're gonna interview one of the school journalists in the DSPC 2026. Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jana Rosti Alinapon.
My first question is, how does it feel to be part of the DSPC?
Personally, for me, it feels very nerve-wracking since I was part of a group event last year and recently I joined individual. So it feels very I feel very nervous personally because the pressure is very deep since I'm the only one who will support myself because it's only individual.
Thank you. And my second question is, if you win this event, what will you do?
For me is, if ever I would win,